Hi, boys and girls. Welcome. I'm Miss Vallejo, and I will be your language arts, writing, and social studies teacher. So, welcome to fifth grade. A little bit about me is I have been teaching for 11 years, but this is my first time in fifth grade. So, I've always done second grade and third grade, so smaller kids. So I'm excited this time that I get to work with you guys, bigger kids, because I know you're going to be a lot more independent and a lot more responsible, right? Yes? Okay. I am married and have a little baby girl. You can see her in the photos right there. I also have one sister. She's right here. This is my sister, my mom, and me, and she's also a teacher. This is my husband, me, and our daughter. And you can see sometimes I'll have my hair straight, sometimes it'll be kind of curly, sometimes I'll throw it up. So, yeah, you never know. Okay, some of my favorite things. I love dark chocolate. I like reading with my daughter. I like watching Netflix, so many good movies and shows. And I love eating Chick-fil-A. Some things I don't like, scary movies, when there's like a lot of noise and there's a lot going on, and I do not do spicy foods, no. Like I said, I know you guys are fifth graders, so I don't think you need me to spend a lot of time on rules because I mean we're treating this the same thing as the classroom. But a few rules, just be prepared, have your materials ready. You're still gonna need a pencil and a paper, something to write on. So make sure you already have that before you sit down. Be ready to participate. So when you enter, I want you to enter with your mic off until we're ready, to start the lesson and go. Then, you can unmute yourself and go ahead and share. But I do want you guys to participate. You will be talking, you will be typing, chatting, completing assignments, doing all sorts of things. Of course, be respectful to teachers and classmates. Only use kind words. Make sure you wait your turn when people are speaking. Complete your work on time. You will have most of the day to get your work done. So there should be no reason why your work is late. If something is going on, please let me know so that I know, hey, my computer's not working, my Wi-Fi is not working, this is happening. Just let me know. That way I know, hey, so-and-so's work's gonna be late. And of course, always help each other. I know it's a little bit different because you're not here with somebody next to you. That does not mean you cannot help them in any way. And I know sometimes you're also going to have to help me. Okay. So again, I'm so glad that you guys are in my class, and I cannot wait to get to know each one of you. Okay. All right, guys. See y'all later.